How you doing today, guys? So I'm by myself today for at least a little bit because I am preparing to move the Corvair back there because I have someone who's interested in trading a car for it, and the car trading for is actually one of my dream cars, so that's pretty fun. I'm not going to spoil what the car is yet. You guys will have to wait and see. But first, I got to move truck back so I can roll the Corvair over to here to where it's going to be easier to get to. So I'm going to do that real quick, and yeah, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. All right, I got the Corvair moved back here. I got it through the mud and whatnot. It was a pain, but I did get it. So next step is we just got to wait for the guy to get down here with the other car, and we will unveil it then, I guess. But you guys never really saw this car on the channel. If you guys follow us on Instagram at celerity_auto, you may have seen it a couple times. But realistically, this just isn't the kind of car I'm looking to work on right now. So, you know, although they are really cool, it's time to get something else for me personally. So, you know, also more videos on this coming eventually. But yeah, so we're just gonna wait for the dude to get here, and I'll update you guys then. All right, so I'm out here meeting the people who are dropping it off, and look at that, guys. 3rd gen Firebird. So we're gonna get this thing home, get it unloaded, and go from there. And right there's good. There you go, Fred. Push park. Well, this is the first and last time you guys are going to see the Corvair in a video. Personally, I'm more excited to see how things are going to be going with this Firebird over here. I mean, it's rough right now, but we're going to make this thing super nice. I got a lot of good plans for this thing, so stay tuned for that. And I'll do a quick tour here in a minute. All right, so interior definitely needs a detail, it needs seats and whatnot, but it's mostly all there. Okay, it's got T-tops, which, you know, they leak, sure. I don't know if these ones leak, but they're known to leak. Anyway, under the hood though, we got a 5.0. Not Tibby, carbureted. So that's pretty cool. I have the nose cone for the front and whatnot. It does run. It just has no fuel in the tank, and it needs, I'm gonna throw a pre-filter before the fuel pump to make sure that it gets good gas. Might need to rebuild the carb, don't know yet. Haven't tested that much. But a few things I have tested. Get in, get my key. We got chime. Turn it on. Let's see if the headlights work. Oh my gosh, guys, we freaking have our headlights working. How? From the front, the headlights are also working. I gotta figure out how to make them go down because it doesn't seem like they want to go down, but I'll figure it out. Point is though, the headlights turn on. Anyway, aside from the lights, I'm gonna get that battery charged up because it's pretty much dead. But the next step is get it running and get that interior cleaned up and get the whole thing just overall cleaned up. But, you know, takes a lot of work. I'm gonna need some help for that. All right, here is help.
I'm help.
Yeah, your help. So Amanda here, she's gonna turn the key. I'm gonna put some fluid in it just to see if it turns over or not. Some starting fluid, so we're gonna do that. Let's get some starting fluid in it and we will test to see if she starts. This might take a minute, but I'm gonna do my best. Okay, you wanna give the key a turn? Oh, stop. All right, we got a hose for siphoning gas hooked up so we can just pump the old gas into here. Then we've got some fresh gas we'll throw in it. So Amanda, you wanna turn the key? Well, apparently it wanted to run, so that's fun. Give me 1 minute, how about?
It's like purple.
What color is it coming out as?
Purple.
Is it still purple in there?
I pulled it up so now it'll just go straight out.
Makes sense. I think I'm gonna dump a little bit of gas down the carb so that way it'll run. Way too much, it's perfect. It's getting clearer, right?
Mm-hmm.
The gas coming out? Oh yeah, it's getting clearer. Oh, that looks clear enough. All right, so we've got enough gas pumped through that now we've got fresh gas coming through the line. So we're gonna hook the fuel line back up to the carburetor so we can actually fill the float bowl. So, yeah, that's way clearer. Clear enough for me at least. So then the fuel line into there. I just gotta tighten this nut down. I'm gonna come in here and get, so you just take your nut and tighten it down on there. Now let me just get a wrench on there so I can tighten it down. It's 5/8, here we go. Okay, get that nice and tight. We'll have to watch it for leaks, but we're gonna give her another go to see if we can get her to start. So she needs, looks like she just needs to be ran for a minute, but does run. Next step is going to be testing the transmission, but I think that's going to do it for today, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, remember to leave a like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and see you guys next time.